Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Prenatal and Children's Nutrition Podcast. My name is Laura Udopani. I am an advocate for prenatal and children's nutrition. I am so excited to talk to you all because this is one topic I love so much and I have passion to talk about. I'm going to talk about nutrition before, within, after pregnancy, and as well for the growing babies. And I will focus on the women, children, and caregivers in Udopani communities. Udopani is a community in Cross River State here in Nigeria. It is an important culture among the people of Udopani communities to train their women for 7 days on how to nurture their husbands and also take care of their future children before marriage. Now, they are taught how to prepare fertility concussions for their husbands because they believe that this concussion will help to improve the husband sperm count. And when the sperm is healthy, it will also produce healthy babies as well. It is clear that these cultures knew about the importance of nutrition for children and also for husbands. So this responsibility is given to the women in Udopani communities. Now, one question most people ask is, can a man improve the chances of conception through what he consumes, like these concoctions that their wives prepare for them in this community, and also some drinks? Now, in a Udopani community, it is believed that when a man consumes coconut milk, dates, tiger nuts, and also palm juice or wine, it will boost his sperm count, which can increase the chances of conception. And they also believe that when it boosts the sperm count, and since they are consuming healthy food, it will also make the babies that the woman will conceive to be healthy. Now, because maternal nutrition during pregnancy affects both the health of the mother and the growing fetus, so it shows how important a woman needs to take care of herself even before conception. Having a healthy baby means making sure you are healthy too. Now, one of the most important things you can do to help prevent serious birth defects in babies is to get enough folic acid every day. Now, most people ask, I'm not married. Why should I take folic acid? It is not only for the married women. If you are a woman and you're planning to get married and you're planning to raise children, the time for you to prepare for this is now. And that is why it is very important that a woman prepares her body by taking folic acid every day, especially before conception and also during early pregnancy. Most people ask, what is folic acid? Folic acid, or folate as most people call it, is a B vitamin found mostly in dark green vegetables like broccoli and spinach, legumes such as beans and peas, and enriched grains. Now, this folic acid have a lot of benefits. What are some of the benefits of folic acid? Women who are pregnant or trying to become pregnant should get at least 400 micrograms of folic acid daily before conception and for at least 3 months afterward. Studies show that this greatly reduces a baby's risk of serious neutral tube defects. So this is why a woman needs to prepare her body before conception. Now, proper prenatal nutrition helps ensure a healthy start for a new baby and promotes the mother's well-being during and after pregnancy. That is why it is so important for a woman to nurture herself first before preparing herself to also nurture her baby. It is the mother's responsibility to continue nurturing this baby with healthy milk. It is advisable that the mother introduce exclusive feeding, which is breast milk, for at least 6 months before feeding them with other healthy food. Nurses and other allied health professionals can play a role in educating pregnant women about sufficient weight gain, the importance of a healthy diet, and the following recommendation for supplements. Dietitian can provide the nutrition counseling and education necessary to ensure the normal growth and development of the fetus. It is my responsibility. It is your responsibility. It is everyone's responsibility, because malnutrition is a serious problem in Cross River State, especially in Udopani. So this awareness is very, very necessary and very important. And it's something that we can do it. I know we can do it. If anyone listening to me right now, I want you to know that we can all do it. We can help the women to prepare themselves. We can help them to continue prepare themselves even when they conceive. And after they give birth, they need to continue preparing themselves and taking care of themselves by eating healthy food. And also nurture their children. They don't have to just abandon the kids. The children nutrition is their responsibility. They need to feed them with healthy food. And this is what we need to do. And I will continue to advocate for this. And that is for today. Thanks. That is about it for me. Thanks everybody for listening, and I look forward to talking to you again. Love you guys. Bye.